So guys, the withdrawal you are seeing in front of you now is from this platform that I'm going to introduce to you. Yes, as you can see, 3,200 naira withdrawal and withdrawal of 1,745 USDT, to show you that this platform is working and it is paying. All you have to do is just input the signals they drop in the group, then you input it on this platform and you make your money. That's just it. It's very simple as ABCD. If it is first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And to all my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for liking and sharing my videos. Okay, this place we talk basically how to make money online, how I make my money online, how I take risks of making money online. So let's dive into the video right away. So this is the platform, Cornrise. I know, right? You'll be surprised. This is the platform. This platform is massively paying. And this is my account. Let's go to my account. As you can see how much I have on this platform, I almost have almost 500k on this platform. You understand? So if you want to get hold to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on the comment section or on the description box below. So if you click the link, it will bring you here. All you have to do is to input your email. So I'm done inputting my email. I will click next. They'll send me verification code on this thing on my email. Then I'll bring the verification code and put here. Then input my password. You click register. You understand? Once you click register and log in, it will bring you here. You understand? It will bring you here. So once it brings you here, you will click on this asset here. Asset at the right hand side. Then you click recharge. You understand? So I'm showing you how you can deposit and start earning on this platform. I will show you. You can see my money there. You understand? So let's say you want to recharge. You click this recharge here. Then you can use USDT to recharge. You can use your local currency to recharge. If you want to use a USDT, you can see that USDT is already on default. You can also use Trons. Minimum recharge is $5. You understand? Minimum recharge is $5. You get? But if you don't know how to go about this USDT of a thing, you can click this flat currency. You understand? Let's click it. Then you look for your country. I'm in Nigeria. I'll click this Nigeria right away. Then minimum this thing here is 3,000. I'll put 3,000 and click next. Click pay now. It is loading. So it will give you account number that you will pay. You understand? Just copy it and go and pay. Come back and click I have made payment. As you can see, once you have done that, it will reflect on your balance. You can also withdraw with your USDT or Trons, or even to your local bank account. It's very simple. All you need to do is to click on your this thing on your country. Then you click the amount you want to withdraw in Naira. You understand? Input your bank details, your bank account and bank name, and click submit. Within some minutes, you will receive your money. So, to the picture of the game, how you can make this money on this platform. Okay, all you have to do is to click home. Click home. It will bring you here. Then you click color prediction here. As you can see, you click the color prediction. So this is the star of the show. You understand? So you basically all you have to do is to predict color that you think that is going to win. But you're not going to think about it. The platform is going to give you signals. You understand? So the link on the link will be the Telegram group link will be on the comment section. Join it. It will be giving you signals on which color you should bet on. Okay, guys, so when you come here, you should bear this thing on mind. This time, this duration should be on your mind. Make sure you watch up whatever they drop. Make sure you see if it is the 1 minute they wrote. Click on that 1 minute. If it is 3 minutes, you click on the 3 minutes. If it is 5 minutes, you click on the 5 minutes. Don't use 1 minute on and go and click on the 5 minutes on. You will lose all. You understand? So just be watchful about it. You get? Just be watchful. If it is 1 minute, you click 1 minute. You get? Though it's already on 1 minute default. So these colors now, how you can earn with it now is that they will tell you to choose color that you think can win. If you click this red here, that means it is all this red, all this general red. If you click this purple, that means it's all this general purple. If you click the green, that means it's all this general green. Just know that if it is This general red that you click, it will give you times 2 of your money. If it is this general purple, it will give you times 2 of your money. If it is general green, it will give you times 2 of your money. But if you want to be specific about the one that you want, maybe if you want to be specific about the color you want to play, if it is red 2 and the results came to red 2, it will give you times 9 of that thing that you bet on. You understand? So now, but before you start inputting money into this channel, you need to do some calculation. You understand? So all you have to do is to copy this this name. Is going to be on comment section and description box. Copy it and paste it on Telegram group, on the search bar. Telegram group. Let me show you. Let me go back. So you click on this search up here. Click on it. Paste it here. You click the Cornrise calculator. Then you click start. Then you click calculator. You click this one, ETH calculator. Then you click ASP. Then how much dollar are you inputting? So let's just say mine was $280, right? Let me input 280. Yeah. So this is the calculation of everything now. Like the first phase now, if I want to start trading, I will start with this amount at the first one, 0.159, 0.1569. You understand? And if I did not lose, I'll keep on using it to play. You understand? But if I lose, I'll go to number 2, which is 0.3136. So that whatever I lose, I will do this thing. I will recover it in case I win on the second one. You understand? But if I still lose on the second one, you come back to this third one and use 0.6276 so that you can recover all. You understand? Oh yeah, let me show you. Let me just show you something now. So this is the signal group now. I don't know if this one is playing already. Let's go. Okay, it's counting down. Let's wait for another signal. It's counting down. So let's wait for another signal. Okay, this signal, green times 250 is 1 minute, right? So let's click my network. Green. Let me put the amount that I want, 0.1569 times 2. Click trade. Yeah, let's wait for the results. You see what I did? You go to the group, come back, and be very fast about it though. It's loading now. You see, it's a loss. It's a loss. Let's go back. Red quantity times. Okay. So you can see we lost the first one. So the second one, we'll use 0.3138. Red. 0.3138. Oh yeah, let's trade. Sorry. I could not trade. Let's wait. The results of let's wait for the result. Assuming that I trade red, you see that I increase my balance. It was green. Then if you lose again, you use the third balance, right? So see the third one, 0.627. The reason why you should be doing this so that in case if you win, you recover all your loss. You understand? So that's just it. But if you lost all your money at the process, you can contact customer service. They will give you 80% of whatever you invested to keep on running again. You understand? That's the sweetest part of this platform. You get, as you can see on my screen, these are people that recover 80% of their platform, their money they invested. They could not even make a profit from it. They lost everything, so they were able to give them 80% of the money. You see, so this platform is very, very, as in, it's very sweet. It's very sweet. You get, I'll be dropping customers what's it called, service on the group in case if you lose, you will also contact them to get your 80% of your balance of your capital. You understand?